Are you look best organic barley grass powder? Barley grass powder is a nutrient-rich superfood. It's made from young barley plants. This powder is popular for its high vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content. Many people add it to smoothies or juices. It's known for supporting digestion and boosting energy levels. List number: Organic Barley Grass Powder, 16 ounces. Discover the wholesome benefits of organic barley grass powder, a nutrient-rich superfood, packed with vitamins, minerals, fibers, and antioxidants. Supports immune health and digestion. Non-GMO and grown in the USA. Perfect for adding green goodness to your daily diet. Enjoy a natural boost with every serving. Advantages: organic barley grass powder boosts immune health efficiently, packed with vitamins and minerals. It supports overall body wellness. Rich in fibers, it aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Antioxidants in the mix help protect cells from damage. Non-GMO and US grown, ensuring quality and safety. List number: TerraSol Superfoods Organic Barley Grass Juice Powder. Discover the pure goodness of TerraSol Superfoods Organic Barley Grass Juice Powder. Packed with nutrients, this USA-grown product is a true superfood. Made from concentrated juice, it offers a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Enjoy superior quality compared to regular barley grass. Perfect for smoothies or your favorite drink. Elevate your daily wellness routine with ease. Advantages: experience the power of organic nutrition with TerraSol Superfoods. Boosts energy levels naturally and effectively. Supports detoxification, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals for well-being. Rich in antioxidants, enhances immune system function. Easy to incorporate into daily diet for better health. List number: Unleashed Organic Barley Grass Powder, 1 pound, 100% pure. Discover the purity of Unleashed Organic Barley Grass Powder, a superfood packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Rich in fibers and antioxidants, it supports a healthy lifestyle. Each scoop boosts your nutritional intake with organic greens. Perfect for smoothies or juices, enhancing your daily diet effortlessly. Enjoy the natural benefits of barley grass in every serving. Advantages: barley grass powder delivers essential vitamins and minerals, supports overall health and boosts energy levels. Packed with fiber, it aids digestion and keeps you regular. Antioxidants in barley grass promote skin and heart health. A versatile superfood, perfect for smoothies and juices. List number: Organic Barley Grass Juice Powder, grown in volcanic soil of Utah, raw and bioactive form. Discover the natural goodness of organic barley grass juice powder. Grown in the nutrient-rich volcanic soil of Utah, it delivers pure, raw nutrition. Cold-pressed and CO2 dried, this powder retains its bioactive form. It's gluten-free, GMO-free, and vegan-friendly, making it a wholesome choice for everyone. Complements wheatgrass juice powder, enhancing your dietary routine effortlessly. Enjoy the vibrant health benefits in every scoop. Advantages: rich in nutrients. Organic barley grass juice powder is packed with vitamins. It offers essential minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. Grown in volcanic soil, unique soil enhances nutrient absorption in the powder. This soil boosts the bioactive benefits of barley grass, cold-pressed and CO2 dried. These methods preserve nutrients effectively. Enjoy a fresh and potent barley grass experience, gluten-free and GMO-free, safe for those with dietary restrictions. It's a pure, natural choice for health-conscious consumers. Complementary to wheatgrass, easily pairs with wheatgrass juice powder. Together, they create a powerful health combination. List number: Natural Foods Organic Barley Grass Powder, USDA Organic Whole Food Green Blend for energy boost. Experience the refreshing benefits of Z Natural Foods Organic Barley Grass Powder. Packed with essential amino acids and minerals, this USDA Organic Green Blend boosts energy and supports detox. Perfect for balancing pH levels naturally. Enhance your favorite juice, water, or smoothie with this antioxidant-rich mix. Enjoy a healthier lifestyle with every scoop. Advantages: boosts energy naturally with essential nutrients. Feel revitalized every day. Supports detoxification processes in your body. Clean and pure. helps balance pH levels effectively, maintain your body's equilibrium, rich in amino acids and minerals, nourish your system, enhances antioxidant intake through easy blends, mix into juices or smoothies.